morning, it's noodle time.
Just doing my homework very fast.
Hello. I'm just walking down to the school bus and then going to school.
And then what are you going to do at school? Play? What are you going to do at school?
Still play.
Good morning. It's 7:30. I'm gonna go on the school bus in 10 minutes.
See you later. Bye. Bye, Diane. Have a good day at school. You have a good day at school?
Yeah.
What about you?
No, I need to go to the school
Why?
because I need to go to Europe, so I don't need to go to the school. I need to
Nice.
study at home. Having breakfast. It's 7:43 and I only have 8 minutes. Good morning.
Good morning, Jake Jolly. And what are you doing this morning?
Eating breakfast.
And then?
Walking down to the school bus.
Are you late?
No.
He's late. Can you run? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go! Let's go!
I'm flying.
Look, it's here, the school bus. We're going for noodles.
We're going for noodles.
Do you like noodles?
Yes.
We're going for noodles. Okay, we're at the noodle place. We ordered how many bowls? 2. And what else? What else did we order? Some yanro. Ordered some yanro. That one. That one. How to do the ears? I want to do the ears. We just have to pretend, right? How are the noodles, Jake?
Good.
Delicious.
Good. I'm just eating noodles. They're very good. And I'm also eating this.
What's that?
Chicken.
Chicken? I don't think it's chicken.
It's meat.
Meat of disputable origin. How's the noodles?
Good. My shoes are broken. But shoes that I have to wear tomorrow.
See you later, buddy. Have a good day at school, okay? See you later. Jake. Bye-bye. Good morning, Jake. And then?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you later. Bye-bye.
I had a good day at Jimmy's. I'm just eating my snack before bed.
Tomorrow you've got open day. So Daddy's going to come and eat chicken wings with you, right?
H is for horse. Yes, great. Finish.
Especially singing.
Stop here. The cast is over. 2 backwards and jars. 能否
帮他前后左右都用女孩子隔离呢，但是实际上没办法操作呀，女生少啊，所以呢更多的。
Well, I'm just going to the school bus.
Yeah, you look tired.
Yes, I do.
Yeah,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.
Yeah.
Are you winning? Well, I think Genghis is winning.
Now I'm going on the school bus.
You look tired. See you later. School bus then.
That looks like a hat.
Okay.
Right. Then make this go backwards and a little up. Then go this go backwards, a little up. Rabbit. Look.
Oh, it's a rabbit. Oh, okay.
Then you
Can you
put
draw a face on it?
here you could draw a face. Like this. A rabbit.
Good job. Good job. So I'm Paul Jolley. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel because I'm awesome. Why not? Take it easy, guys.